Track 85. Listen and write.
OK, children. Please listen carefully. We are going to arrive at the waterfall at 11:30. Please write 11:30 on your timetable. We have 4 activities. First, we are going to see the waterfall. Second, you are going to draw the waterfall. Third, we are going to visit the Waterfall Museum. And fourth, we are going to go to the museum shop. You can buy presents there for your family. We are going to have lunch at 1 o'clock. The train leaves at 3:30. Remember, it leaves at 3:30. Do not be late.